If you think money stress disappears when you get rich, you've already misunderstood the problem. Because the truth is, most people don't need millions to feel free. They need one number. And once you cross it, your entire relationship with money changes. And yes, it gets uncomfortable before it gets empowering. Imagine waking up one morning and realizing something feels quieter. Not outside, inside your head. No running checklist of bills. No background panic about what if something goes wrong. Just space. That moment doesn't usually come from getting rich. It comes from something far more ordinary and far more powerful. Having 10,000 saved. Not to spend. Not to show off. Just to exist. And once it does, life starts behaving differently. Imagine living in a world where one unexpected email, one car sound, or one medical bill can hijack your entire week. Money wasn't just tight, it was loud. It demanded attention. Constantly. Savings accounts were empty. Credit cards were breathing down necks. And stress, it felt like a subscription you never signed up for. Even financial experts admit it quietly. Most money decisions aren't logical, they're emotional survival moves. Before we go deeper, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Invest Official USA community, and share this with someone who's tired of living paycheck to paycheck. It tells YouTube to push this to more people, and it helps us keep creating deep, honest, no-nonsense money and business breakdowns. Our mission is simple. We want our subscribers building wealth, freedom, and passive income even as beginners. And if you're wondering how do people even start building money without stress, we're sharing real beginner-friendly income ideas that work quietly in the background, even from home, even as a side hustle. No hype, no pressure. Free access link is in the description and comments below. Most people don't realize how much mental energy money stress consumes until it's gone. When you're living close to zero, every decision carries tension. Can I afford this? What if something breaks? What happens if my paycheck is late? Even small problems feel oversized because there's no buffer. A flat tire isn't a nuisance, it's a crisis. A medical bill isn't paperwork, it's panic. This constant pressure quietly shapes how you think, act, and choose. They tell us the problem is simple. Just earn more. Just budget better. Just work harder. But that's only the surface-level story, the one that ignores how lack of savings rewires decision-making. Because income alone doesn't remove fear. Buffers do. And here's the part almost nobody talks about. Here's the surprising truth: 10,000 doesn't change what you buy, it changes how you decide. You don't suddenly start shopping luxury brands. You don't upgrade your lifestyle overnight. What changes is your default emotional state. Instead of reacting to money, you start responding to it. That difference is everything. The dirty secret is this. Most financial stress isn't about debt, it's about fragility. A system where one small hit collapses everything. Ignored warnings, delayed savings, overconfidence masked as optimism. This wasn't accidental, it was predictable. Like juggling knives while saying, relax, I've done this before. But the most important shift hasn't happened yet. Because once stress drops, behavior changes. When your savings account hits 5 figures, your brain stops treating every problem like an emergency. The car makes a weird noise. Annoying, not terrifying. Your laptop dies. Inconvenient, not catastrophic. You're no longer operating on a razor's edge. And when stress drops, something powerful happens. You think clearer. You sleep better. You make fewer emotional decisions. Money stops hijacking your nervous system. This is where things spiral or stabilize. Greed turns into urgency. Urgency turns into shortcuts. Shortcuts turn into regret. Some still argue this isn't a financial problem, it's a behavioral one, wearing a money costume. This is the moment people realize they're no longer trapped. Not rich, not free forever, but stable enough to breathe. If money could talk, this is where it would finally stop screaming. And this is the part that still affects your life today. This milestone doesn't make you wealthy. It makes you stable. And stability is the launchpad for career growth, learning new skills, calculated risks, better long-term planning. People without savings avoid opportunity because opportunity costs money upfront. People with savings can say, "Let me look into that." That single sentence can change your future. People think financial stress ends when bills are paid. It doesn't. It ends when fear loses control. Your cost of living today, your tolerance for bad jobs, your ability to walk away, all of that traces back to whether you have a buffer. Here's the question most people never ask themselves. How many bad decisions have I made just to feel temporary relief? Quick answer, probably more than you realize. And recognizing that is where change starts. Money isn't math. It's psychology wearing a calculator. And every financial turning point begins the same way. Less panic, more patience. Looking back, it's wild how one small financial milestone reshapes everything. It's not perfect. It doesn't solve life, but it creates space, and space changes people. That's why we always say build stability before chasing speed. Now we want to hear from you. What did money stress teach you, and where are you watching from? Drop it in the comments. We read every single one. Here are 3 simple steps you can copy immediately. Step 1. Separate your emergency savings. Don't mix it with spending. Step 2. Automate even small weekly transfers. Consistency beats intensity. Step 3. Protect the buffer. Use it only for real emergencies, not emotions. If you don't build a buffer, life will build pressure for you. Subscribe to Invest Official USA community because ignorance is expensive and clarity compounds. Like, comment, share this with someone who needs it today. And if this opened your eyes, wait until you see what we uncover next.